For today's class, this is a C2 Eagle class, and we're going to be working on a stop-motion animation project. These students are high level and have very high expectations for getting the project done, making a good script, and putting everything together. First, we're going to start off with the personal project section, and for Empathize, my goal is to have the students start working together so that all of the ideas don't have to flow through me, and they kind of set the stage for the bigger project, which is coming later.
Step 1, choose which job. Pro gamer or YouTuber?
What do you want?
Zookeeper or baseball player?
Only
Choose
one.
one. Yeah, choose one, and then you're going to work on this together to come up with, first, what do you have to do? A new employee, a new baseball player, a new zookeeper, a new teacher. What do you have to accomplish? What are your job tasks? What do you have to do at work?
Since they're starting the discussion together in the Empathize section, for personalized section, I want them to start thinking creatively about how they're going to show the ideas that they have for the project. For the share section, I'm going to have them, as they present their ideas to the class, really try to share whatever creative ideas they've come up with and hopefully influence their own team and maybe the other team too.
Paul wants to be a teacher because he likes teaching kids and he needs no makeup or hair.
For me, the personal project section is really important because I can kind of step outside of being the main actor in class and really let them start working together and facilitate more what each individual is doing.
Zookeeper, okay. Take care of animals. What else? Or you could be more specific about that. Like what types of jobs?
For the collaborative project, not only are they practicing working together as a team, but they're also figuring out how to organize themselves and complete a much bigger project together. In the Ideate section, I want them to take what they started with in the personal section, present it to their group, and start discussing the different ideas they have and which one might come together the best for the final project.
Groups have 4 people, and I have 3 roles set up. Okay? So one person, it doesn't have to be the leader, but one person is going to be...
In my own experience, I've found that limiting or creating roles for students has really helped me enjoy the class more as the facilitator because my expectations are very clear and I can work with each individual who knows what they're supposed to be doing.
What should your attitude be towards your boss?
I don't do that.
Awesome!
Like,
So how can you, creative person, how can you show that there's no boss if you're a YouTuber?
For the Materialize section today, we're going to be working on a stop-motion animation project on the front board, and each student, because they have their own role, knows what each of the other students are doing, and they're in charge of something as we kind of work together to create this project. My goal for the Materialize section is always for the process to be as fun as possible for the students.
Baseball players need to wear uniform to identify teams. They wear hats to make their hair clean.
In the last section here, when they present, I want them to be able to showcase a complete project that they're proud of to their peers. And also, as they watch the other groups, they should be thinking about how the other members in the group that had the same role, how did they tackle similar problems, and maybe what can they do in a future week to implement some of those solutions.
Quick feedback, what can we do to make it smoother for next week or if we do this again?
Too fast?
Okay, which part is too fast?
Today's class went really well. The students in their groups took on their roles, everybody worked hard and communicated well together, and I think most importantly, they had a lot of fun creating the project.